Picture yourself in the 2020 GMC Acadia. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a versatile Acadia that offers a roomy, attractive interior, flexible seating, intuitive infotainment, impressive safety features, and robust performance. It's perfect for your family's needs. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, navigation system, heated driver's seat, fog lamps, premium sound system, power liftgate, satellite radio, heated mirrors, alarm. Give your family the space and security they deserve in this versatile Acadia. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.